Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to delete conversations on Messenger. So you have to just open the Messenger on the Android device or iOS. Solution is for both. So you have to open your Messenger box. So when it's open, you have to see the any random conversation of someone's. So like this, you have to hold it and click to this second option of delete. When you click to delete option on the second one, you have to see just one click and delete this entire conversation. So you have to click to delete this entire conversation. You will no longer see in your message box. You see it will be whole conversation are deleted on Messenger. So it's very easy and simple. So hopefully this video help you, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.